Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a vision board on Canva. So I'm going to show you a few different options you have here. So you can use the ready-made templates in Canva, and I'm going to show you how to make one from scratch as well. So in the templates tab, just type in vision board and you can have a scroll through loads of professionally designed templates, and you can go in and edit it and add in your own photos. So when you see one you like, just click on it, click customize this template, and then all you need to do is delete the pictures. You can drag and drop your own images in, so whatever they are. And if you want to make your own vision board from scratch, you can open up an A4 page or a larger one, whatever size you want your vision board to be. Then we're going to go to elements, type in grids, and Canva will show you lots of different grids that you can add photos in. So you can make your vision board with these grids. So you can add them to the page and then drag and drop them to different sizes and just fill out lots of different grids, and that you can add like photos to, just to make it a bit more interesting instead of just one large photo. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep adding these grids until I've filled out the page. So you can do the same, there's no right or wrong, just go in and add different types of grids that you think would fit, and depending on how many photos you have. So I've got quite a lot there. I might add a circle one in there as well. So I'm just going to write circle frame and see what ones come up. So you can see I can put pictures in all these different grids, and then I can also add like a circle in the center. You don't have to have that outline. If you don't like the outline, I might delete that one and just put one in without an outline. So I've got like a circle in the middle there. So once I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and start adding pictures. So I'm going to go, you can upload your own photos, or you can use some of the photos that are here. And what are great for vision boards are like things like quotes. So if you're looking for like a motivational vision board, these types of quotes are good. Just gonna not have that one in there because it didn't fit in very well. It fits in the middle there a little better, and you can obviously drag and drop it. And different quotes I'm gonna add, ones like this. So this is what you can do. You can go ahead and add different quotes depending on what type of vision board you are creating. You can also add photos. So maybe if you want to travel more, you can type travel in and put some travel images up there to remind yourself to travel a little bit more. And it might be something like a visual board to be happier. So you can put like happy photos in there. Quite like that one. Be happy. And keep going. Go ahead and fill in all these sections with different photos for your vision board. And when you're happy, you can give it a name, vision board, and download it. And you can also print it out to put on your wall. So press download. It's suggested to download as a PDF, or you can do it as a JPEG or PNG, totally up to you, and click on download and print it out. So that's it for today. That's how to create a vision board. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.